All right, gentlemen, if you're a huge Ballin fan, you wear these pants all the time, okay, they're fantastic, but you can't ever find them again, or you're not sure what you got, they actually do you a favor, okay? If you go inside the pant, because if you lose this little card, in this white fabric, it says the style number, the M6174 W303. So the first M6174, that's the fabric. That's this cotton fabric versus wool versus whatever blend. That's what the fabric is all about, okay? And then the W303, that's the fit. Okay, so this is, I want to say, the Atwater fit. Some of it, the number doesn't have a W in it. It's like 9247 or something. That's more of a dress pant. That's a Soho fit. So the last four characters, whatever they are, that is the fit. And then, of course, you have your size down here. Don't worry about the color or the PO. That's just for when people manufacture clothes and they ship them into the United States. That's part of the rules. Don't even worry about it. And the content, etc. Now, keep in mind, this pant company's been around a long time, so they might evolve what the styles are. Like this pant from Atwater, it's cashmere. It's called a cashmere brush cotton pant. It's for fall. It's a little heavier. They have the same version in spring, which is a little lighter. Okay, the number will be slightly different. So if you can't find it somewhere, maybe that's why it's seasonal. But if you got a question on what yours is or if it's available, shoot me a message. My name is Mary. My shop here is Q Contrary. I love helping guys find clothes that fit and look good. I love this pant company. If you're looking for a good quality pant, give Ballin a try. And hope you can find your favorite pants again.